I've actually heard a lot about this particular scrub. Now the question is, do I like this scrub? No. I don't. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, my name is Ugochukwu and Ezinne. You're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop a new video, okay? Because you're going to be getting a lot ranging from hair, beauty, skincare, DIYs, and a lot of all those goodies, okay? And also, don't make it your last. I have lots and lots of videos down there. Do well to check them out and don't forget to share, okay? There's love in sharing. In this particular video, we'll be reviewing this skincare products, Eden's Apricot Scrub. So we all know that scrub is one of the most essential skincare products that we must have. Without exfoliating scrub, you might find your skincare journey really hard, because it's going to give you a tough time. Your skin is going to give you a very tough time, in the sense that when you have a lot of dead skins on your skin, dead cells or dead skins on your skin, it is going to prevent any skincare products or any brand at all from working on your skin effectively, okay? I talked about this when I made a video on skincare mistakes that you should avoid in this year 2024, and I'll be linking that particular video here. I've actually heard a lot about this particular scrub. A lot of people were talking about all the good stuffs about this particular scrub, how, what it does, how good it is, and all of that. So one day I went to a supermarket and I caught it, like I saw it, I decided to grab one and try it to see if I will also testify. And yeah, I am here in this particular video to give my own review about this scrub, whether it actually does all the things that they mentioned about it or not. Starting from the outside, this is how it looks, okay? So this is how it looks. It's in plastic container and it is just a very simple and simple packaging with a transparent label outside the container. So this is just how it looks, and it is written, you already know the name is Eden. And it happens that they have different types of scrubs, okay? This brand have different scrubs, but the one I heard that does wonders, that does magic, is this Apricot Scrub. That was why I went for this particular one. Apricot Scrub for face and body, and the other one is written in French. I think it's also the same thing that they wrote there, because I can't read it. Gently helps remove dull surface cells to reveal a smooth, healthy complexion. A deep cleansing natural fiber body and facial scrub that quickly removes blackheads and impurities, unclogs pores, and removes dry, dead cells from the surface of your skin to reveal a smooth, fresh layer. Can be used on all skin types, gentle enough to use daily. Okay, I've been using scrubs before now. This particular scrub is actually like cream and it smells nice. It smells more like conditioner. Yes, it smells more like some conditioner. There are some hair conditioners that smells like this. So let me just say it smells more like hair conditioner, and I just love the fragrance. It's not bad at all. It's a cream-like texture and it has oil, just like cream, okay? Just like a body, it looks like a body cream that they poured some sand. Those sharp substances that I need happens to be apricots. I have used it to this extent. I don't use it often, I don't use it regularly, like I am not consistent with it. That is why it's still remaining this much. And the size is 227 grams. And apart from the size, the scrub actually lasts. That's one of the things I noticed about it. Even though I am not consistent, I wasn't consistent with it when I bought it, and I am still not consistent with it up till now. But I will say that even if you are consistent with it, in using it maybe every day, as they said, that is gentle enough for you to use it every day, okay? But scrub is something that you use like twice a week or once a week, depends. But this one, they said, is gentle enough to use it every day if you wish to, and that is the fact. You can use it every day. It doesn't harm, it's not harsh. You don't use it like some other scrubs. There are some scrubs that you apply, you use to scrub your skin before bathing, but this particular one, the best way to use it is when you finish bathing, like after cleansing your body with your soap. Then all you have to do is to apply it on the surface of your skin and gently scrub it for some minutes, then rinse it out. Even though the content is cream like and it seems like it has oil in it, after applying it, after scrubbing your skin and rinsing out your body feels so clean, and you just feel that freshness. You don't feel as if you still have the remnant of it on your skin. I don't know if you're making sense, but that is how it feels after using this scrub. And now the question is, do I like this scrub? No. I don't. The scrub is actually nice. It seems like it's actually effective. It seems like it works if you are consistent with it. But I told you from the beginning of this video that I am not consistent with mine, okay? And that is the more reason it's still remaining. It should have finished since, but not because I don't like the scrub. I don't just like the texture, okay, the cream-like texture. Maybe because I am already used to sugar and salt scrub, I feel more comfortable using that. I have this feeling that I am scrubbing out the dirt from my skin, as I am using those particular scrub, or those sandy, like crunchy or rough scrubs, okay? So I feel as if I am scrubbing out the dead skin instantly. But with this, I just feel as if I'm applying cream. So that is one of the reasons that I said I don't like it. I don't really like the texture. Not that I don't like the scrub, I don't really like the texture because I'm already used to sugar and salt scrub. But apart from that, I like every other thing about this particular scrub: the gentleness on skin, the feeling on the skin, and the feeling when you finish having your bath, like instantly, like the way you feel cleansed even to your pores after using this particular scrub. They are all the things that I love about it. I think it's much better for a sensitive skin, because for me, I have a very tough skin, like my skin is really tough, like it needs iron sponge. Like my skin is the type that need iron sponge for you to be able to scrub it. I am just joking, please. Nobody uses iron sponge on the body. I am just a kind of exaggerating, but my skin is really tough. That's what I want you to understand. That's the more reason I prefer sugar or salt scrub to something like this, to all these cream like or gel like scrubs. Will I be purchasing this particular scrub again? Yes, I would. Let's say I don't have opportunity to make my scrub and I happen to see it and I have the money, then I would purchase it. It's actually nice, it smells nice, it cleanses well, and I believe it works well too, even though I can't really tell. But for the texture, that's the only thing that I have issue with. But apart from that, I can purchase this scrub anytime, any day, anywhere. If you are the type that have a very tough skin like mine, you might not like this particular scrub. But if you have a normal skin, a gentle skin, or a sensitive skin, a delicate skin, a tender skin, you will like it. You will definitely love this particular scrub, because sugar scrub or salt scrub might be so harsh for you, it might be so tough on your skin. So definitely you will like this particular scrub if you have other skin types that I mentioned. But for me and 49 others that have tough skin, this particular scrub is not for us. So let us stick with our sugar and salt scrub or even iron sponge. I'm just saying that if you have a tough skin, you may not like any scrub that is like this, okay? Any cream like or gel like scrub. That's all for this particular video. Don't forget to like this video if you have not, and share, give it a thumbs up, like, and I really appreciate you watching to this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.